Introducing the Lisle 34850 Injector Seal Installer Kit 11-piece. This kit can be used when replacing Teflon seals on most 7.5 and 6mm Hitachi, Bosch, Continental, and Delphi single and double sealed fuel injectors. These injectors are found on many Ford, GM, and Subaru engines. Include 7 seal installer cones to reach the seal groove on the injector. A plastic seal pusher is used to press on the seal over the cone into the seal groove. 3 resizers are included to compress the seal back into its original diameter to allow the injector to be reinstalled. Select the cone that reaches the closest to the seal groove on the injector. Place the seal on the cone by hand without using any type of lubrication. Using the seal pusher, slowly push the seal over the cone into the seal groove. Gently squeeze the seal by hand in several places. For the 7.5mm injector, slowly twist and push the .312 resizer over the seal. Remove the resizer after about 1 minute. Repeat with the .310 resizer. Install the injector before the seal expands. For the 6mm injector, use the .251 resizer. For Ford injectors with a tapered seal groove, first install the .312 resizer onto the injector with the knurled end towards the seal groove. Then install the seal using the appropriate cone. Pull the resizer over the seal, then press the .310 resizer over the seal. For double sealed injectors, install the seal farthest from the tip first, then install the other seal. The Lisle 34850 Injector Seal Installer Kit 11-piece.